How to stop any application from opening on your startup in Mac. So the first way to do it is you want to go to your system settings right here at the bottom of your screen. And then right here on the search bar, you want to search for login items. And then right here, you want to click on login items. And then right here at open at login, you want to choose the apps to delete it. For example, I want to delete this Maps application to open during the login. I just click on the application and then click on this negative button. And there you go. Or the second way to do it is you want to go to the application that mostly open when you are logged in. You want to right click on the application and then choose options, and you want to uncheck this open at login. Or if you still find a bunch of applications appear when you log in on your Mac, what you want to do is you want to go to your top left and then click on this Apple logo. And then either on the restart or shutdown, you want to click on it. And then you want to uncheck this reopen Windows when logging back in. Uncheck. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.